What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be making a knife out of this piece of metal and we're going to see how fast I can forge it. We're probably just going to make a paring knife, but let's start the forge and then we'll start the timer. Okay, so my metal's hot. We're going to start the timer and we're going to pull it out and do our first heat. And I think I'll probably be able to do it in about 20-25 minutes. We'll see how fast I can forge it. We're just going to be doing a simple paring knife. We're just using some lawnmower blade. So it's just a little chunk of lawnmower blade. Going for another heat. Alright, we're doing a teeny bit of handle work and just smaller it down or thinning out the handle area. Up again. And we're at 8 minutes. Punch it, and then we're gonna stop it. So we're in, and I'm stopping it. We got 18, stop. It was under 19 minutes, I promise. There we go. There's the knife, guys. Alright guys, we finished this knife. We did it in just under 19 minutes. The clock showed 19:01, but when I quenched it was like 18:58. So it's a little faster than I thought. It turned out pretty great. So now I just gotta finish grinding and stuff. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to our channel, and then also like the video, and then comment down below if we should do how fast we can finish a knife. So not just the forging part, but the entire process. And then also go check out our merch. This is our Masters of Metal. We also have some grind stuff. But thanks for watching, and see you guys later.